Let's discuss few problems based on the specific values of trigonometric ratio of angles. Like we discussed 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, then 60 degree and 90 degree. So let's start. First, evaluate. We need to find the value of it. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Okay, let's write the question one more time, which is 2 tan square 45 degree. I hope you are clear that we are not supposed to write square of the 45, but we need to write the square of tan, tangent, then plus cos square 30 degree, right, and last is minus sin square 60 degree. Done. Now to solve this we need values. We need value of tan 45 degree, cos 30 degree and sin 60 degree. If we know all these three values, we are going to substitute, simplify and get the answer. Very simple. That's why I told you that table you need to learn it. This kind of questions are going to come for a 1 mark or 2 mark, or maybe it can come for 3 mark with more simplification, right? So be prepared for that. So let's start. First of all, I need to get the value of tan square 45 degree. So I am going to use value of tan 45 degree. Value of tan 45 is 1. So 2 into bracket 1 and square. Remember, square is over here. Don't forget it. Then let's do the next one, which is plus cos square 30 degree. Now cos square 30, what is the value? Cos square 30 degree, but we will put value of cos 30 only, then we are going to do square. So cos 30 is square root of 3 divided by 2. So here square root of 3 divided by 2 whole square. Remember cos square, so we need to do the square. Simple. Then last one, which is sin square 60 degree. So what is the value of sin square 60? That is again square root of 3 divided by 2 whole square. Remember, this all terms are square, so we need to put the value in bracket and we need to square it. Now let's simplify this one. So first of all, 2 into 1 square. What are you going to get? 2 into 1 square. Very simple. Square of 1 is 1 and 1 2s are 2. So if I simplify, I am going to get as 2, then plus as it is. Now square of root 3. Very important. Square of root 3. It is root 3 multiplied by root 3. So remember, we are going to get the whole number, which is 3. So that is 3 in numerator, and denominator square of 2. Square of 2 is what? Simple, which is 4. Done. Now we need to do same for the last term, and you can see that we are having same terms, root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So again I am going to repeat the same here, which is 3 by 4. Done. Simple. Now you can see 3 by 4 positive, 3 by 4 negative. They will cancel out each other. So what's left only? Guess, this is cancel, and what's left only? 2. So final answer is 2. This is how we do sums related to values when particular angle value is given of the specific ratio. Let's recall the step one more time. Without these known values, you won't be able to move ahead in this kind of questions. You need to learn those values, table specifically. So substitute the value of tan 45 degree, cos 30 degree, sin 60 degree. Then it is a square, so we need to do square of each of them. Then follow the operations, simple simplifications, and you'll get the answer. Now while you do this kind of sums, remember we are going to have this kind of values again and again. So you need to remember root 3 into root 3 will give you 3, because in tangent as well, in tan as well, there will be values like 1 over root 3, then root 3, right? So you need to be habitual with this. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 to avoid the confusion. Don't write 9 here even by mistake. That's incorrect. Let's discuss next sum. So first of all, let's read the question. Evaluate sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree and cos 60 degree. Okay, so we need to have almost 4 values to solve this question. Let's write the question first, which is sin 60 degree, okay, then cos 30 degree then plus it is given sine 30 degree and cos 60 degree. Now here sine 60 we know what it will substitute there, root 3 by 2. So let's substitute root 3 by 2. Done, first value. Then cos 30. Cos 30 value we have done there, which is root 3 by 2 as well. So here also root 3 by 2. And remember they are in product, means they are in multiplication. Then plus as it is. Now we have sine 30. Value of sine 30, remember you need to learn the table. That is 1 by 2 here. So I will be writing 1 by 2 here. Done. Then cos 60. Value of cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 it is. Then let's simplify. So if I simplify, I am going to get root 3 into root 3 multiplication. That is, okay, root 3 into root 3 will be 3. And if you even want to simplify, like if you want to multiply in the square root, that is square root of 3 multiplied by 3 will give you square root of 9. Answer will be 3. Don't write answer as 9 there. Remember. So square root of 3 into square root of 3 will give you 3 only. And denominator 2 2s are 4. Done. Then here 1 into 1, very simple, will be 1 only. Then 2 2s are 4. Now you can see denominators are equal. So I am going to add them. Let's add. So add the numerators. 3 plus 1 and don't add the denominator. 4 plus 4 will not be 8. We need to write the same denominator. That is 4 here. So 3 plus 1, 4 here and 4. So when you cancel, you are going to get the 1. Remember I have written each and every step in detail to explain that how we need to simplify it. Remember, these sums are easy when you know the value of the trigonometric ratios for that particular angle. If you don't remember, it will be very difficult. Simplification is your part. You need to simplify in a proper way. Either you square it, either you take the product of it, then do addition subtraction of the fractions, right? So this was the two questions that we discussed for the specific angles of the trigonometric ratios and its simplification. Let's discuss next sum. So far we discussed questions related to only simple form, which were like only in the form of numerator, no denominator. Here we are having numerator and denominator. We are going to substitute values in numerator and denominator. Let's start. Sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cos sec 60 degree over sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. I told you, you need to remember all these values, then it will be easy to solve the sum. First of all, substitute the values, then simplify and get the answer. This is how we are going to do. So let's start. First of all, it is sine 30. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Then it is plus. Next is tan 45. Tan 45, very simple, remember, always 1. Then minus cos sec 60. That is 2 by root 3. Done? 2 by root 3. And this is your denominator. Done? Now let's substitute values into denominator. That is sec 30 degree. So sec 30 value, it is 2 by root 3. Then plus cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Then plus cot 45. Tan 45 and cot 45, both values are 1. Remember, plus 1 here. So that we have substituted all three values. Simple. Now there is fraction and we need to simplify one. So first of all, you can see in denominator there is 2 whole number and there is a 1 number in square root, which is square root of 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep 2 by root 3 for a while as it is, and I'm going to simplify these two terms, which is 1 by 2 plus 1 and 1 by 2 plus 1, right? Because if I solve this one, that will be done for numerator as well as denominator. So let's simplify that first. So what shall I get if I add 1 by 2? 1 by 2 plus 1. So you can see 1 over 1 we can write. Then 2 as LCM. So 2 multiply over here. So 1, okay, 1, and here 2 ones are 2 and 2 in denominator. That will give you 3 by 2. Simple. So Instead of 1 by 2 plus 1, what I can write 3 by 2 in numerator as well as denominator. By luck, I had same terms in numerator and denominator. Always, it's not possible that it is going to come like that. So it is easy. Okay, let's write. So I will be writing here 3 by 2 only, then minus 2 by square root of 3. Done. Numerator is done. For the denominator, 2 by root 3 as it is. Okay, no change in them. Then what is there? The answer we got, which is 3 by 2. Here, plus I will be writing 3 by 2. Now you can see we need to solve numerator as well and denominator. There are two fractions in numerator and denominator. So let's deal with this. If I want to take LCM of only this numerator part, I'm talking about only numerator part. If I want to take LCM here, what will be the LCM? 2 and root 3. Because root 3 will remain as it is, we are not able to factorize it. It is in a square root, okay? And 2's factor, it is a prime number, 2 ones are 2. So LCM I will be taking in numerator and denominator. Both will be what? 2 root 3. Simple. 2 root 3 LCM I will be taking. Now you can see here 2 is there but root 3 is not there. So what will I do? I will multiply with root 3 over here. So here I will be multiply with root 3, multiply with root 3. Done. Here root 3 is there but 2 is not there. So I will be multiplying with 2 over here. Done. Simple. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3. Simple. Let's do same in denominator. Here 2 by root 3. Root 3 is there but 2 is missing. So multiply with 2. Simple. Then in this case 2 is there but root 3 is not there. So let's multiply with the root 3. Here multiply by root 3 and so do here. Okay. Let's write the step. Be careful while you write this question because you are having fraction in numerator and denominator as well. So you need to use space in a proper way. If you are not writing proper, your upper term and lower term will mix it up and it will confuse you that which is the correct way to write it. Okay, so let's start solving. Here I am writing as 3 root 3. Okay, 3 root 3. Then minus, then 2 2s are 4. And denominator is 2 root 3. Done. Let's do for the denominator now. So here 2 2s are 4. Then plus over here. Then 3 into root 3. So 3 root 3. And LCM will be as it is. 2 into root 3. Done. Now you can see over here that we are getting same denominator. Numerator is not same. Be careful. It's negative here and denominator it is positive. So whenever you have something like this equal denominator can get cancelled. So what's left with me right now is only 3 root 3 minus 4. And let me rearrange the denominator. I will be writing this first. That is 3 root 3 plus 4. Now you must be thinking we cannot simplify further from this point, but you need to simplify. We need to remove square root from the denominator. We learned this in grade 9, how to remove the square root of any number from the denominator. So we are going to multiply with here, can you guess what? We will be taking negative. Yes, 3 root 3 minus 4 in numerator and 3 root 3 minus 4 in denominator. So we can use the identity. Let's do it. So here it will become square because same term is coming second time. 3 into root 3 minus 4 whole square and denominator. Can I write 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square? Can you tell me why have I written it? Yes, we use the identity. So let's write the identity. You will get an idea that which identity did I use. So a plus b into a minus b. The answer is a square minus b square. So a plus b and a minus b. So a square, which is 3 square root of 3 whole square, minus b square, which is 4 square. So let's use the identity in numerator first of all. That is a minus b whole square. So first of all, a square, square of 3, that is 9, square of root 3, that is 3. Then minus 2ab. So 2 into 3 root 3 a, then b, which is 4, plus b square. Done. And denominator, I'm going to use the another identity is already used. Let's simplify. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 4 4s are 16. So if I simplify, 9 3s are 27, minus here 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, so 24 square root of 3, and plus 4 square, which is 16. Then denominator, 27 minus 16, 7 minus 6 will be 1, 2 minus 1 will be 1. Simple. Now you can see that there is 27 and 16 I can add. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add them and get the answer. 7 and 6 will give you 13, so 3 carry over 1, 2, 3 and 4, 43, minus 24 square root of 3 as it is, and in denominator 11. Can I simplify further than this? No. So this is my answer. Remember, you must be thinking this sum is more about the fraction and simplification than the trigonometry. Yes, it is. This kind of question can ask for 2 marks or 3 marks. Remember how it started? Let's recall. First of all, you need to get the value of all the trigonometric ratios for specific angle which is given in question. Substitute the values, then simplified. This simplification, remember, we have learned so far in grade 9 as well, in grade 10 as well, and before that. So simplified fraction, take LCM. If there is anything, cancel. If there anything is same, then cancel it, right? Afterwards, we need to remove the square root from the denominator. So we need to multiply with its negative, or maybe with its opposite sign. You can say conjugate as well. Then apply the identities in numerator and denominator, simplify further, and when you cannot simplify, stop it there. So this is how we solve sum related to trigonometric ratios with specific angle mentioned along with the fractions. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus 10 square 45 degree, and numerator sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Now in this question, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simplify numerator and denominator separately. In previous question we did together. You can do that as well. Both ways it can work out. You are going to get the correct answer as far as you are getting the correct answer. So let's start. First of all, numerator 5 cos square 60. What is the value of cos 60? Remember, table is must. 5 cos square 60. We need value of cos 60. So let's write here 5 into cos 60. It is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square. Then plus it is 4 as it is. Then sec square 30 degree. You need to identify this value. Remember it, table is must. It is 2 by square root of 3. Done. And here it is square. Don't forget. Then 10 square 45 degree. So 10 square 45, value of 10 45 degree is 1, and here it is also square. Remember, I am only solving the numerator now. I am not solving the denominator. So I have not written it here. 5 into 1 by 2 whole square, so it will be 1 by 4 plus 4 as it is, 2 square which is 4, and root 3 square which is 3. I hope you remember by this time that square of square root of 3 is 3 only, minus 1 as it is. Let's multiply here. 5 ones are 5 by 4 plus 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1. So 4 and 3. If you take the LCM, what are you going to get? LCM will be 12. Right. So here you multiply with 3. Here you multiply with 4. Here you multiply with 12 itself, because 1 is there in the denominator. Fractions. I hope you are clear with the fractions before solving this question. So 3 5s are 15 plus 4 16s are, it is 64, minus 12, and denominator LCM which is 12. Done. So 15 plus 64. Let's start with the addition first. 5 and 4 will give you 9. 6 plus 1 will give you 7. Minus 12, denominator 12 as well. Then 9 minus 2 will give you 7. 7 minus 1 will give you 6 over 12. So 67 over 12 is the simplification of numerator. This is not my final answer. Remember, I have only solved numerator. Denominator is still left. So let's solve the denominator. Denominator is sine square 30 degree. Okay, let's try it first of all. Here sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So we need to get the value sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So sine 30 is 1 by 2, and as it is square, I need to do square. Then cos square 30 degree, we need value of cos 30, which is root 3 by 2, and we need to do square of it. Done. So here square of 1 only, square of 2, which is 4, plus square of root 3, like this only, it will be 3 here, and square of 2, which is 4. So let's add the numerator. Reason behind that, denominators are equal. Here we took LCM because denominators were different. So 1 plus 3 will give you 4 over 4. So 1. Now let's get the final answer. So if I arrange it right, my answer will be, first of all, let's write the numerator. Numerator is what? 67 over 12. So 67 over 12, and denominator is 1. So what will happen? This 12 will come down and multiply with 1. So my final answer is 67 over 12. That's my answer. Remember, this happened because we got the denominator 1. You do not need to understand that numerator simplification is the always answer. Remember the previous question we discussed. It was very lengthy and we were getting two different answers for numerators and denominators, and we simplified as well. So this is how you solve this sum when you have fractions as well, and when you want to solve numerator and denominator separately.